Hi, I'm Tracy.
And I'm Samantha.
And this is
Thread and Thimble.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to review McCalls 8025, and we'll put a little closer picture up here somewhere of it. It's a little easy pattern, or so I thought. It has 4 pieces. It has the back, 2 fronts, and the sleeves, so it's not really difficult to do. I made a size medium.
I made a size medium as well.
And how many have you made?
3 or 4.
3 or 4. I made one. I made this one, and I made it yesterday, and I didn't have directions, and I thought, how hard can it be, right? So, we're going to explain what we did. I made a size medium, and I liked the pattern. I think it would have turned out cute if I would have had the instructions, read them, and did them per instructions, which I didn't do. It's a little big here, and it's a little big here. I think the reason this all happened was because I put the gathers, I gathered the wrong side.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't even finish it. I didn't even hem it. But as you see, I have extra, and I don't know why. And I
think you gathered the wrong side.
I think I gathered the wrong side, and I put it together backwards like how it wasn't supposed to be. Otherwise, I think it turned out okay. I mean,
I like the pattern.
The pattern's
The
cute.
fabric.
The fabric's cute.
I think this pattern works not on lighter knits. This one here was my first one, and this knit is extremely light, and it just feels weird to me. But this knit here, it's a lot thicker.
It's more of a Ponte Roma.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a Ponte.
And so I think is like perfect.
Yeah, this one turned out really good.
This, but it also doesn't suggest anything for the hem. It just says hem. I think a double needle is the way to go.
I double needled mine, but I used the zigzag on the double needle.
I see that.
Instead of a straight stitch. For some reason, my Juki, which maybe I should have used the Brothers, did not like this fabric. It wanted to eat it, and so I had to start in the middle when I used a straight stitch. So I just like, you know what, I'm going to zigzag it. So I zigzagged it, and it was no big deal. I used a walking foot with a double needle.
Yeah, I did as well, but I just lengthened the stitch.
Did you serge yours? I serged mine.
Not on this one. On this one I did.
You serged it? Yeah, I serged mine.
Yeah, on this one.
And then I sewed it down. I did not iron it either, so
Yeah.
you can see it's kind of wavy. Once I ironed it, it would go flat, but obviously with this little bit of extra, my little bit of extraness, always read your pattern.
Well, even on the pattern, it doesn't really, I don't know, maybe I'm just not reading the full thing, but I felt like I got really confused. On it, on which side to put where, but maybe I just didn't read it right. I don't know. I have a half-assed reading kind of thing when I'm doing it because I just want to get it done. So
otherwise, this takes no fabric. It's maybe a yard. You can get it out of anything. I used a 4-way stretch. What is yours?
Yeah, mine is. Not this one. The other one is.
Mine is a total 4-way stretch. It's the same. I think I got it from Sew Over It in London.
Yeah.
I think I ordered it and got it, and it's been sitting in my closet. And I always wash my fabric. Right when I get it, I wash it, iron it, and put it away.
Shrink it.
Yeah, shrink it. You know, it's up to you, whatever you guys want to do. But otherwise, I think this is a pretty good pattern. I think it can be really cute. Like on hers is really super cute. Yeah. I like it because it kind of hides my belly with the little extra ripples here.
Yeah.
Shut up! You don't have belly!
I think if I were to change anything, I would do a quarter sleeve on this. And I'd even try to make it into a dress.
I think that would be really cute.
For fun.
But see how hers, if you can see how hers goes up higher.
Yeah, mine doesn't.
Mine doesn't either. And I put mine right where it said to put it. Yeah. So I don't know if I should have brought it. Maybe I should have brought it.
Maybe we just want big enough boobs.
Maybe. That could be. I'm very flat chested, but what else? But yeah, and the shoulders. See, they're way.
Yeah, I don't know what you did there.
They're way down. Perfect. Hers are perfect. Mine are not perfect at all. But I think the back fits okay. Yeah. My husband absolutely loved it. He's like, that's the cutest thing. I said, dude, I made it wrong. And he's like, oh, you can't even tell. Well, you know, I mean, we can tell, obviously. But he can't tell. I don't know if I'm going to take it apart because I did not serge the inside. seams. I zigzagged them. Maybe I'll take it apart and redo it. I don't know. I have a ton of the fabric because I was ordering it from London, and I figured I might as well order a whole bunch and see how it goes.
I got mine from you.
Yeah, I buy her a lot of fabric. But that's
That's my birthday.
that's her birthday present. Otherwise, if you want to, honestly, it's an hour. If you have an
Yeah.
hour, cutting out and everything.
We'll show you the tutorial on it too in another video. It'll be very quick. Super easy. It's super comfy.
It's really comfortable. I mean,
Yeah.
I just wear a little.
Thicker knit suggested for sure.
Yes, and if you can get a 2-way stretch, I suggest a 4-way stretch.
A little much.
Maybe that was my issue.
Yeah.
Use a brand new needle. That's what I did.
Yes.
For knits, don't use a cotton brand new needle because that's not going to work well for you. But yeah, otherwise, I really like the pattern.
I liked it.
I'm gonna try it again.
I'm gonna change it.
You're
And then I'll
gonna
do
you're
it
gonna
again.
morph it into an animal.
Something else. I like where it's going, so I'm just gonna
Yeah, it's like
make it my way.
it's like something so easy and simple, but yet what a headache if you don't read the directions. I'm telling you what. I'm like going, what is going on?
That's what happens when you trade patterns with each other.
Yeah, right. Patterns are expensive. I did not get this on sale. I did pay $20, so it was $19.99. I did not get it on sale, but I seen it and I just grabbed it. I don't know why, and because I like this little one, this one on the side, and I thought, what a fun, easy pattern. And I hadn't made clothes in a long time because I've been doing quilts and stuffed animals, so I thought I'm going to do this shirt, and yeah, look what happened. Don't read instructions, and this happens. So yeah. Otherwise, like, look at that for the summer. How cute is that? With the short sleeve.
Or no sleeves.
Or no sleeves, because it's so easy you could do no sleeves. I mean, it's like perfect for no sleeves. And then you wouldn't have any extra. You would probably need maybe 3/4 of a yard.
No.
I mean, you could use scraps really. I don't know. I wonder if you could make it out of cotton.
No, you get to stretch it.
Why?
You get to put it over your head. You can put a zipper in it then.
Right, it has a big neck.
Oh god. I want to see you get into it.
All right. Maybe some other time. Well, thanks for watching our channel. Remember to hit the subscribe button and like us, and there'll be more videos to come. I am Tracy, and have a great day.
Bye guys.